We're back at our dealership location. Last week we were working on the floor. We finally got the epoxy floor laid and everything looks good inside. Today we're going to be working outside. The parking lot, we have kind of a low spot where the water sits. So what we're going to do today is, if you can see our drainage here, we're going to bring down some of this concrete right here. We're going to rake out all this stuff, dig some of this out so this water will flow more naturally and it'll flow easier and stuff, so we won't have that water sitting here at the and pooling up. Anyway though guys, stay tuned, more to come.